Hi, quick video show you how to take the door handle off these rear doors, Peugeot 308. This is a damaged door and I've actually lost the trim tool I used to unclip this a while ago, so unclip this, but so you don't damage your door with a trim tool, put some cardboard or a cloth underneath your trim tool, and this has to be prised up and off. So next, pull away this strip. You'll find a bit of tape covering this hole. Use a Torx 20. You'll see a screw in here, this deep. Unscrew it until it stops. It doesn't come out. Once you've undone the screw, pull this handle up. That pulls out. Then that comes out this way, and you can pivot the whole lot up and take this off. I'll just show you putting it back in. That's in there. There we are. One door handle. Hopefully this has helped. Thanks for watching.